Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can find people on Pinterest. So that's a very simple and straightforward thing to do. Just open up the search section of the app. At the search bar over here you can type in either the person's name, display name, or username. So if I'll type in, let's say, John Doe, it will find me, well, a bunch of John Doe users over here. And let's say I'll pick this one, and we'll try to find this account or this Pinterest profile by its username, that is TWM79. So it's TWM79. As you can see, the person was successfully found. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.